Installing a Type R rep spoiler.
Put this bad boy on there. Can you sit for me? Thank you. Just line it up. It's a little dirty, needs to be clean. It'll be fine though. Alright. I bet you guys are like, that's dramatic. Gotta leave some play in it, just in case it don't exactly line up. There's a wasp. There's a wasp. I hear him buzzing. Keeps buzzing by me. Like to let me know he's around. Might have to wedge it a little bit. It's all good though. These don't line up exact, but most aftermarket stuff really does. You know. Alright, let's go for it now. Dude, I'm about to hit dude with my spoiler. Like my other spoiler. He's really trying to see what's going on. All right. There we have it, guys. Hit it one more time.